In this video, we delve into the world of part-time remote gigs, exploring the flexibility and opportunities they offer. We emphasize the significance of acquiring and enhancing skills for thriving in this dynamic field. As the trend towards remote work grows, it becomes essential to equip oneself with the right skills to stand out in a competitive environment. By focusing on skill development, individuals can maximize their potential for success in part-time remote gigs. In this segment, we focus on the key skills that are highly sought after in the realm of part-time remote gigs. We delve into the specific skills such as digital marketing, graphic design, programming, and writing that are in high demand in the remote work landscape. These skills not only open up a plethora of opportunities for remote employment but also allow individuals to showcase their expertise and stand out in the competitive gig economy. By identifying and honing these in-demand skills, aspiring remote workers can position themselves for success in securing lucrative part-time gigs. In this section, we delve into effective strategies for enhancing and refining your skill set in preparation for part-time remote gigs. We explore the value of engaging in online courses, workshops, and practice projects to strengthen your expertise in relevant areas. Additionally, we discuss the importance of networking with industry professionals to gain insights, mentorship, and potential opportunities for growth in the remote work landscape. By actively developing and honing your skills through these avenues, you can boost your credibility and readiness to excel in the world of part-time remote gigs. This segment focuses on the crucial aspect of creating a professional portfolio to effectively showcase your skills and expertise in the remote gig economy. We explore strategies for compiling a portfolio that highlights your achievements, projects, and capabilities in a compelling manner. By crafting a visually appealing and informative portfolio, you can attract the attention of potential clients and employers in the competitive remote work landscape. Your portfolio serves as a powerful tool to demonstrate your value and differentiate yourself from others vying for part-time remote gigs. In this segment, we delve into various platforms and channels where individuals can discover part-time remote gig opportunities. We discuss the significance of exploring freelancing websites, job boards, and social media platforms to identify potential gigs suited to your skill set and interests. By leveraging these diverse avenues for finding remote work opportunities, individuals can widen their scope of possibilities and access a broad range of part-time gigs in different industries. Exploring multiple platforms enhances the chances of securing fulfilling and rewarding remote work engagements.